Boeing is in the enviable position of owning the most popular aircraft in the industry in the name of the 777. However, the American company is set to introduce another model that the CEO proudly announced will destroy the entire aviation industry. What is the new Boeing airplane model and what is so special about it that the aviation industry can't stop talking about it? Stay tuned to find out. The Boeing 777 is one of the most iconic aircraft the aviation industry has ever known. Unveiled in the 1990s, this incredible twin-engine jet is like a soaring skyscraper in the world of aviation. It wasn't just another plane in Boeing's stellar lineup, but a bold statement of innovation, efficiency, and passenger comfort. Dubbed the 777, this wide-body beauty became the world's largest twin jet, boasting a wingspan of an astonishing 199 feet and 11 inches. When it comes to the power under the hood, the 777 doesn't pull any punches. The General Electric G90, the engine designed specifically for the 777-300ER, is the most powerful jet engine to date. This colossal turbofan engine gives the aircraft the power it needs to fly distances of up to 7,370 nautical miles. That's New York to Dubai without a hiccup. The cabin design is a triumph of passenger comfort and innovation. The 777 is a wide-body jet that can accommodate up to 10 seats across in economy class, providing airlines with a superb balance of capacity and passenger comfort. Overhead bins are more spacious, allowing for ample carry-on luggage storage. The windows, they're larger than what you'd find on most other commercial aircraft, offering passengers unmatched views of the world outside. A revolutionary feature of the Boeing 777 is its design process. It was the first commercial aircraft to be entirely designed using 3D computer graphics. Instead of relying on traditional blueprints, Boeing used a virtual reality system, enabling engineers to visualize the aircraft as a whole during the design process, spot potential problems earlier, and correct them more efficiently. And then there is the splendid cockpit that the 777 boasts of. Pilots adore this aircraft for its advanced flight deck and fly-by-wire controls, which simplify handling and reduce pilot workload. The intuitive, easy-to-use flight systems and state-of-the-art avionics have helped make the 777 one of the safest aircraft in the sky. And if that's not enough, Boeing is getting ready for the new 777X, which takes all the good parts of the iconic 777 and adds even more. The Boeing 777X is the latest series of long-range, wide-body twin-engine jetliners in the Boeing 777 family from Boeing Commercial Airplanes. This state-of-the-art aircraft offers many advantages over other aircraft in its class, with its fuel efficiency, passenger capacity, and advanced technologies, making it a top choice for airlines and passengers alike. Boeing first began firming up plans for the 777X in 2011 as a direct response to the revamped Airbus A350XWB. The 777X was officially unveiled in 2013 and notched its first order in September, with Lufthansa ordering 34 777-9S2s. The 777X program was proposed to have three variants, the 777-8, the 777-9, and the 777-8LR, but the latter was dropped. Boeing originally planned to deliver the first 777X aircraft in 2018 or 2019, but this date has been pushed back several times due to various challenges and setbacks. The COVID-19 pandemic severely impacted the aviation industry and reduced the demand for new wide-body aircraft. Boeing also had to deal with the fallout of the 737 MAX crisis. As a result of these delays, Boeing has now confirmed that it expects to deliver its first 777X aircraft in 2025, 6 years later than initially planned. Boeing also reduced its production rate for the 777X and deferred some orders from customers who have revised their fleet plans due to the pandemic. One of the key features of the 777X is its new G9X engines. The G9X is a commercial jet engine developed by GE Aviation for the Boeing 777X aircraft. It is the largest, most powerful, and most fuel-efficient engine in its class, with a world record of 134,300 pounds of thrust. Designed specifically for the new twin-engine Boeing 777X family, the G9X is the most fuel-efficient engine in its class, designed to achieve 10% lower specific fuel consumption, or SFC, compared to the G90-115B. This blend of evolutionary and revolutionary designs enables the G9X to be the most fuel-efficient jet engine GE has ever produced on a per pound of thrust basis. The GE9X incorporates more than 65 CMC components, the most of any commercial aircraft engine to date. These CMC components weigh a third of conventional parts, yet are twice as strong for greater durability. Leveraging additive manufacturing, GE9X combined more than 300 engine parts into just 7 3D printed components, resulting in less weight. The GE9X features the same world-class reliability as the G90-115B, with noise and nitrogen oxide emissions well below anticipated regulation standards. Environmental performance highlights include 50% lower emissions and the lowest nitrogen oxides of any engine in its class at a level that's less than half of current requirements. Overall, the GE9X is an impressive engine that offers many advantages over other engines in its class. Its fuel efficiency, power, and advanced technologies make it a top choice for the powerful 777X. Now, one of the key features of the upcoming Boeing 777X is its new composite wings with folding wingtips. These wings are made of lightweight composite materials which allow for greater fuel efficiency. The folding wingtips also allow for a larger wingspan, which provides greater lift and reduces fuel consumption. But despite the larger wingspan, the folding wingtips allow the 777X to fit into standard airport gates, making it easier for airlines to operate. The wing of the 777X is based upon the design of the 787's wing. It has less of the sweep of the 787, but 10% more surface area, increasing from 4,702 to 5,562 square feet. The reshaping has led to a higher lift-to-drag ratio, which in turn increases usable fuel bulk from 320,863 to 350,410 pounds. As a result, the type will have a range of over 14,000 kilometers or 8,699 miles. Boeing's motivation for including folding wingtips within the design was not wholly steered by fuel economy. With a fully extended wingspan of 71.8 meters, the new 777X falls within the ICAO's Aerodrome Code F. But with raked and folded wings and a span of 64.8 meters, the type can comfortably arrive at gates designed for Code E. Aircraft in this group includes the current 777. The composite wings with folding wingtips are an impressive feature of the Boeing 777X that offers many advantages over other aircraft in its class. The cabin of the 777X is designed to be spacious, comfortable, quiet, and customizable, with features that will make you feel like you're flying in a private jet. One of the most noticeable aspects of the 777X cabin is the size and placement of the windows. They are 16% larger than the windows on the current 777, and they are positioned higher on the fuselage, giving you a better view of the sky and the scenery below, so you have more reasons to splurge on a window seat. The windows also have electronic dimming controls, allowing you to adjust the brightness to your preference. The cabin also offers more space for passengers and their belongings. The 777X has an additional 4 inches of space in the passenger cabin, which means more room for seats, aisles, and overhead bins. The bins are larger and deeper, and they can fit a standard carry-on bag with wheels first. The bins also have a unique pivot mechanism that makes them easier to open and close. The seats on the 777X are designed to provide comfort and privacy for every passenger. In business class, you can enjoy a staggered seating configuration that gives you direct aisle access and a full lie-flat seat. You can also choose from different ceiling and lighting options that create a distinct ambiance for each cabin. In economy class, you can relax in a 3-4-3 seating arrangement that features edge-to-edge tray tables and large IFE displays. The cabin of the 777X is also equipped with advanced technology that enhances your well-being and entertainment. The cabin air is more comfortable with lower altitude pressure, higher humidity, and better filtration. The temperature and sound quality are also improved, with redesigned air nozzles that operate with less velocity and noise. And the ceiling panels serve as speakers, delivering crisp and clear audio throughout the cabin. The lighting system is dynamic and adaptable, creating different moods for different phases of flight. The cockpit of the 777X is a testament to the company's vision of creating a smart, safe, and efficient aircraft that meets the needs of the modern pilot. The cockpit of the 777X is a blend of tradition and innovation, with features that enhance the performance, comfort, and situational awareness of the flight crew. One of the most striking features of the 777X cockpit is the large touchscreen displays that replace conventional flight instruments. The The displays are 15.1 inches in size and they can show various information and functions, such as navigation, weather, engine status, flight management, and electronic checklists. The displays are also customizable, allowing the pilots to choose what they want to see and how they want to see it. The touchscreens are intuitive and responsive, making it easier for pilots to interact with the systems and to access the data they need. The cockpit also has a new folding wingtip control system that allows the pilots to adjust the wingtips according to the airport conditions. The wingtips of the 777X can fold up to reduce the wingspan by 7 meters, enabling the aircraft to fit into standard airport gates. The pilots can control the wingtips with a simple switch on the overhead panel, and they can monitor their position with indicators on the displays. The cockpit of the 777X also incorporates some features from the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, such as the head-up display or HUD, the electronic flight bag EFB, and the fly-by-wire system. The HUD projects essential flight information onto a transparent screen in front of the pilot's eyes, allowing them to keep their eyes outside while flying. The EFB is a tablet device that provides digital documents and tools for flight planning and execution. The fly-by-wire system is a computerized system that controls flight surfaces electronically, reducing weight and complexity. The Boeing 777X cockpit is a showcase of technology and ergonomics designed to make flying easier and more enjoyable for pilots. It offers a spacious and comfortable environment with adjustable seats, windows, and lighting. It also provides a high level of redundancy and reliability with backup systems and sensors that ensure safety and efficiency. The cockpit of the 777X is a dream come true for any pilot who loves flying. It's not just a cockpit, it's a command center. In addition to these features, the 777X also incorporates technologies from the Boeing 787. These technologies include advanced flight deck systems and avionics, as well as improved cabin systems that enhance the passenger experience. The 777X also offers greater connectivity options for passengers, allowing them to stay connected and entertained during their flight. And the Boeing 777X is not only a stunning aircraft, but also a secure one. The safety of the passengers and crew is the top priority of the company, and the 777X reflects that commitment. The 777X is equipped with state-of-the-art safety features that ensure a smooth and trouble-free flight from takeoff to landing. One of the key safety features of the 777X is the Enhanced Ground Proximity Warning System, or EGPWS, which alerts pilots of potential terrain or obstacle conflicts. The EGPWS uses a database of terrain and obstacle data as well as GPS and radar altimeter inputs to provide accurate and timely warnings. The EGPWS also has a Runway Awareness and Advisory System, or RAS, which helps the pilots avoid runway incursions and excursions. Another important safety feature of the 777X is the Traffic Alert and Collision Avoidance System, or TCAS, which monitors the airspace around the aircraft and warns the pilots of potential collisions with other aircraft. The TCAS uses transponder signals from nearby aircraft to determine their position, speed, and direction, and provides visual and audio alerts to the pilots. The TCAS also coordinates with other aircraft's TCAS to suggest evasive maneuvers if needed. The 777X also has a fire detection and suppression system that protects the aircraft from fire hazards. The system consists of smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, fire bottles, and fire switches that cover the engines, cargo compartments, lavatories, and galleys. The system can detect and extinguish fires automatically or manually, depending on the situation. The 777X also has an emergency evacuation system that facilitates a quick and orderly exit of the passengers and crew in case of an emergency. The system includes escape slides, emergency lighting, exit signs, emergency oxygen masks, and life vests. The system is designed to meet or exceed the regulatory requirements for evacuation time and survivability. The Boeing 777X is a safe and reliable aircraft that meets the highest standards of quality and performance. It has state-of-the-art safety features that minimize the risk of accidents and incidents and maximizes the chances of survival in case of an emergency. The 777X is an aircraft that you can trust with your life. It's not just a plane, it's a guardian angel. According to Boeing's official price list, the cost of the 777-8 is $394.9 million, and the cost of the 777-9 is $425.8 million. However, these are only list prices, and airlines usually negotiate significant discounts when placing large orders. The 777X has received a total of 363 orders from 10 identified customers and other buyers as of February 2023. The biggest customers of the 777X are Emirates. The Dubai-based airline is the world's largest operator of the Boeing 777 and has ordered 115 of the new 777X aircraft with no specified variant. However, this order has been reduced from an initial order of 150 jets due to delays in changing fleet plans. Qatar Airways, the Doha-based carrier, has ordered 74 of the new Boeing wide bodies split into 50 777-9s and 24 777-8S3s. Qatar Airways has also signed a deal to be an early client of the 777-8 freighter, ordering 34 jets and adding options for 16 more in the future. Singapore Airlines, the Singaporean flag carrier, has ordered 31 of the new Boeing wide-bodies with no specified variant. Singapore Airlines was one of the few to add to its 777X order during the pandemic and plans to use them to replace its older 777s. Other customers for the 777X include Lufthansa, Etihad Airways, Cathay Pacific, British Airways, ANA, EVA Air, and other unidentified buyers.